and today I'll be talking about Oral-B Vitality 100 Electric Toothbrush. This electric toothbrush is a great product for your oral health. It comes with rotating power head. It comes with round bristles which ensures a 360-degree cleaning. The power head rotates and oscillates to remove plaque from your teeth. The functioning of the electric toothbrush is way better than any manual regular toothbrush. It is multi-angled in opposite directions, so that means every nook and corner of your mouth is covered. The bristles are no ordinary bristles. They have indicators on them, so that means when the color fades away, you know it's time to replace them. That's all for this product. Hope you have a great day. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.
The revolutionary Oral-B Cross-Action Power is a battery-powered toothbrush that uses a rotating power head with crisscross bristles for a superior cleaning action in every stroke. The refill pack contains 2 brush heads and 1 tool. First, place the quick-release tool on neck of the toothbrush as shown and press. Then slide brush head off parallel to the neck of toothbrush. Then to replace the head, keep the new replacement brush head parallel to the neck of the toothbrush. Then slide the head towards handle until lock clicks into place. Check that brush head is firmly attached. Do not insert brush head at angle. Always keep it parallel to the neck of the toothbrush. Remember to change your brush head every 3 months as recommended by dentists or dental hygienists. With Oral-B Cross-Action Power, you get a superior clean in every stroke, giving you a healthy power smile for life. Oral-B, the #1 brand used by dentists themselves worldwide.
Today I'm going to be reviewing Smith's Spark rechargeable electric toothbrush. The feather-like design as well as the solid technology will spark a smile on your face. It is 100% more efficient in plaque removal as well as it helps in teeth whitening. You can choose between 6 dynamic modes of cleaning. This electric toothbrush comes with 2 heads, a soft and medium one. A 4-hour charge on this toothbrush can last up to 20 days. This electric toothbrush has a 2-minute smart timer which not only helps improve your gums, but it also keeps cavities and germs at bay. So, be it day or night, this electric toothbrush will definitely put a smile on your face. I'll be back again with another fun